Hi, this is Lisa with Inspire to Thrive here. You've heard me talk a lot about Creator Buddy for X. Now, Alex Finn has come out with Video Buddy. Love it. It's another tool used with AI to get you some summaries and help you to create engaging posts for social media on X and elsewhere. I like to say elsewhere because I do use them elsewhere. So here's an example of a YouTube video, and we're going to watch and see how it will analyze. And I just tried it on a shorts video before starting this tutorial and it didn't work. So this is for the long format videos on YouTube. I will be asking Alex about the short form because I think that'd be interesting as well. So it gives you a summary of your video. It gives you some key takeaways. It gives you some hashtags if you want to use them. And then it gives you various posts that you can do. So you can do a single post on X or you can do threads. I love that feature, being able to do that. Here is the thread here. So I'm going to actually go in and start working on this and show you as I am doing it. So you can see exactly how to build that thread if you hadn't watched my thread video. So and let's see, pins. I always like using emojis. Trying not to use as many, but I do like using them. And at the end here, we're going to put the thread emoji because that's something you can't really write. They recommend that you use the thread because there's something else called threads. So here we are about the pinners pin. So that's the first part of it. And then I'm going to go back and get the second. And right here, we're going to go back. The best part, you want to make the script so that they can read it easily, scannable. And again, you're going to use the thread. It stays in there long as you're signed in. Schedule pins. We're going to leave that there. We're going to go back to the third one. And go back to another one here. Everything here is correct. Have you tried? How do you manage your pin creation? We're going to do the pin there and maybe put in the little thinking emoji. I usually like that one, thinking. Okay. And there you have it. And then at the end, you could add the video if you wanted to add the video. Let's see if I can get in there quick. YouTube. Well, it's actually the same. That's not the one. It's this one here. Does it show it? Whoops. Let's go back into here. This is the video. Actually, all I have to do is post that right on X now. Creating Pinterest used to take me hours. Go to the second one. Nope, we don't want to go there. We want to make sure we get the correct one at the end. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. You can learn more on video here. Or I could send them to the, whoops, it didn't take that one. Sometimes it doesn't take. You got to make sure you really got that copied in there. Copy. There you go. And hit reply. Sometimes it shows the little video, sometimes not. That was another video I did there. Let's go back and see whether it shows it. Yep, at the end it showed it. So you can see 1, 2, 3, and right there at the end is the last one. So that is the thread that I easily did from Video Buddy. Fabulous tool. You can try it for free, and it's only $9 a month if you decide to use it more often. And then, of course, there's a quote post. So you have all different kind of things that you can use for this. And it even gives you that full transcript along with it. This tool is free to use for the first 3. Otherwise, it is just $9 a month by Alex Finn. And if you've seen Alex on X or on YouTube, you know he is the king of AI in making these tools available for creators. So do check it out. It's called videobuddy.io. And again, you can try it for free, which I absolutely love. This is the second one that I've actually done, but I was real excited when I heard that Alex had launched Video Buddy. Do check it out today. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. As you can see, it is free to use for 3 video analysis a month, or you can go pro for $9 a month.